Hello everyone, this is Dan Gramza and welcome to Gramza Market Studies for Friday, May 25th. Volatility, that's what we're seeing here in the NASDAQ market. The Trump administration has called off the North Korea meeting, which if you look at the comments that North Korea is passing our way, it does make sense to step away from that until something else can be set up. But the market didn't like that uncertainty, and it broke to the downside. But in the big picture, things are not that terrible with our economy and earnings and way things are setting up in the U.S. as well as other countries. And we're seeing those buyers coming back in. The issue? Follow through. What does Friday tell us about this upcoming holiday weekend? And in the dollar, well, it slowed down a bit as the euro strengthened. It does imply an up day for the euro. It'll be interesting to see if we can get the follow through that it is showing us. That should happen. But I am not bullish on the 10-year notes. I'm looking for a down day in that market. If the other pieces come together, that market should be backing off. Gold, how about that? Nice clean move, took out these previous highs. I like the action that we're seeing here. I'm looking for unchanged to slightly higher for Friday's action. Now, crude oil backs off as they've been talking about with OPEC and Russia. They're about cutting back on production cuts, therefore increasing supply, and we're seeing crude act accordingly. That makes sense, and I do look for a down move, but not a big move on Friday. Soybeans made new highs and backed off, traded below its bearish level. The magnitude change in that market is $1,200 a contract, and I do look for follow through to the downside. Same thing with corn. We also traded below its bearish level, and the magnitude change there in that market, $200 a contract. And I also look for follow through to the downside. And the same thing holds true for wheat. We want to see this market backing off. It's a clean rejection type setup. It would imply a down day for Friday. And that concludes today's market studies. Thank you for being with me. I look forward to being with you again on Friday. In the meantime, take care.